Hello, good morning everyone. Okay, today we discuss about problems on binary operations. Okay, that is first problem. That is on binary operation. It is verify the following operations are binary, commutative, and associative or not. Here it is a star on a binary operation on real number. Okay, as you know, that is a star b, a plus b by 2 is for all a and b are the elements of real number. Okay, for binary operation, or check for binary. Let us consider if we take any two elements in the real number concept. I take 1 and 2 are into real numbers. 1 and 2 are the elements of R. That is A star B. By the definition of binary, it is 1 star 2. 1 star 2 means 1 plus 2 by 2. 1 plus 2 by 2 means it is 3 by 2. It is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 which number? Okay, 3 by 2 which number? It is the element of real number. 3 by 2 is also the element of R. That's why star is binary. Star is binary on what? Real numbers. Therefore, star is binary operation. Binary operation. Binary operation. For commutative binary operation, let us consider if you take two elements. 2, 3 are the elements of real number. If we take negative also, that is 2 star 3. 2 star 3, that is equal to what? 2 star 3 according to the definition, 2 plus 3 by 2. So 2 plus 3 by 2, 5 by 2. 5 by 2 which number? So 5 by 2 is also a real number, that is equal to equation number 1. That is equation number 1. Okay, similarly, 3 star 2. 3 star 2 means replace a by 3, b by 2. Here it is replace a by 2, b by 3. Here it is replace a by 3, b by 2. 3 plus 2 by 2. 3 plus 2 by 2 is also 5 by 2. Equation number 2. That is from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Star is what? Star is commutative. Star is commutative binary. For associative binary operation, if you take three elements, any three elements, that is for associative. For associative, let us consider any three elements. 1, 2, 3, or it is 3, 2, 4, anything else. 1, 2, 3 is the element of real number. According to the associative binary operation, that is 1 star of 2 star 3, that is equal to 1 star 2. Bracket of division multiplication. Bracket is 1 star 2. According to the definition of 1 star 2, that is a plus b by 2 means 1 plus 2 by 2. 1 plus 2 by 2. 1 plus 2 by 2. Next here it is star 3. That is 1 star 2 on operation apply binary operation. 1 star 2 is a is replaced by 1, b is replaced by 2. That is 1 star 2 is a plus b by 2 means 1 plus 2 by 2 star 3 as it is. Next it is simplification. 1 plus 2 is 3 by 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 star 3. 3 by 2 star 3. Okay, 3 by 2 star 3 again definition of binary operation. A plus b by 2. A is 3 by 2. A is 3 by 2 plus b is 3 whole divided by 2. Whole divided by 2. This is according to LCM. It is 2 is the LCM. 1 2 are 2 1s are 3 plus 2 into 3 6. 6 by 2 whole divided by 2. Whole divided by 2. 2 that is 4. 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9. 2 into 2 that is equal to 4. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Similarly for RHS, that is 1 star of 2 star 3. 1 star of 2 star 3 that is equal to 1 star, okay, 2 star 3 according to the binary operation. A is replaced by 2, B is replaced by 3. A plus 3 by 2 means 2 plus 3 by 2. 2 plus 3 by 2 that is again 1 star. 2 plus 3 by 2 that is 5 by 2. 2 plus 3 by 2 that is 5 by 2. Again 1 star 5 by 2. 1 star 5 by 2 again A star B. Again using the definition of binary operation. A plus B by 2 means A is replaced by 1, B is replaced by 2. 1 plus 5 by 2 divided by 2. Again take the LCM. 2 as LCM. 1 plus 2. 1 into 2. 2. 2 plus 5 that is 2 plus 5 divided by 2 whole divided by 2 whole divided by 2. 2 plus 5 is 2 plus 5 5. 7. 7 divided by 2 whole divided by 2 means 7 by 4. 7 by 4 is as equation number 2. From 1 and 2, we conclude that every equation equal not concluded. That is, from 1 and 2, we conclude star is not a associative. Star is not a associative binary. Next problem, please. On rational number, that is on Q, A star B is equal to AB plus 1 for all AB and B are the elements of Q. Let's consider any two elements in real number, that is 1, 2. I said 1, 2. 1, 2 is also the element of Q because of any rational number can be represented in the form of natural numbers or integers. How it is? 4 by 2 is a rational number, it is also natural number. Also, it is a positive integer. Okay, other that is minus 6 by 2 is a number, is a rational number. That can be represented in negative integer. If you represent marble, that's why 1 and 2 are the elements of Q. If you take 1 by 2, 1 by 3 also. 1 by 2, 1 by 3 2 by 3, 4 by 3 9 1 and 2 are the element of Q on the check for binary operation. That is 1 star 2. 1 star 2, A is replaced by 1, B is replaced by 2. That is equal to 1 into 2 plus 1. That is 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1, it is 3. 3 is the element of Q. 3 is the element of Q. Hence it is star is a binary operation. Hence star is binary operation on which number? Which number? Rational number. Binary operation. And second one here is, that is commutative or not. That is star is commutative binary operation or not. Commutative binary operation, as you know, A star B is equal to B star A. That's why if you take any two elements. Let us consider 2 and 3 are the element of Q. If you choose 2 by 3, 4 by 3, else. Anything else now. So that is 2 and 3 are the elements of Q. So 2 star 3. 2 star 3 according to the definition AB plus 1. 2 into 3 plus 1. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Equation number 1. Equation number 1. As similar manner, it is 3 star 2. 3 star 2 is 3 into 2 plus 1, that is 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, equation number 2. Equation number 2, from 1 and 2, okay, from 1 and 2, we conclude, from 1 and 2, we conclude that star is what? Commutative. Star is a commutative binary operation. Associative, if you take any three elements. Okay, let us consider for associative. For associative, I consider that is 2, 3, 4 are the elements of Q. 2, 3, 4 are the elements of Q. That is 2 star, 3 star, 4. 2 star, 3 star, 4. First 2 star as it is. According to 3 star 4, you define by the definition of binary operation. 3 star 4 is AB plus 1. That is A is 3, B is 4, B is 4 plus 1. 3 star 4 here, 3 into 4 plus 1 according to the binary operation. That is 2 star, 3 into 4 it is 12, 12 plus 1. That is 2 star, 12 plus 1 is 13. That is 2 star 13, again binary operation, AB plus 1. A is 2, B is 13 plus 1. That is 2 into 13, 26. 26 plus 1 is 27, equation number 1. Equation number 1. Or similarly, it is 2 star 3 star 4. 2 star 3 star 4. It is RHS of associative property. That is 2 star 3 according to the definition of binary operation. 2 star 3 is 2 into 3. A is 2, B is 3, then plus 1. 2 into 3 plus 1 star 4. Star 4. That is 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1. That is 2 into 3. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 star 4. 7 star 4. Again, by the definition of binary operation, 7 star 4 here, according to the binary operation definition, AB plus 1, A is 7, B is 4 plus 1, star plus 1, that is A plus B, A into B plus 1. That is 7 into 4 is 28. 28 plus 1 is 29. 28 plus 1 is 29. That is the equation. Is 29. From 1 and 2, star is not a associative binary operation on rational.